Sequences and series. This is part 2. In this video, we are going to discuss and learn arithmetic sequence. Watch very carefully. The linear number patterns are also called arithmetic sequence. And we have a general term. Formula for general term is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1d, where A represents the first term, D represents the constant or common difference, n represents the position of the term, and Tn the value of the nth term. Okay. Consider the arithmetic sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Arithmetic sequence. Question A. Determine a formula for the general term or the nth term of the above sequence. So we take the first term is 3, that is our A equal to 3. Now we go for the common difference. T2 minus T1. Learn the method. That is 5 minus 3 equal to 2, or T3 minus T2. That is also equal to 2. So the common difference is 2. Now we apply the formula there, substituting the numbers very carefully. Tn equal to 3 plus n minus 1 times d. d is 2. We get Tn equal to 2n plus 1. Question B. Find the value of the 50th term, T50. Okay. We have the nth term, so we can calculate any value, any term. So T50 is equal to, substitute 50 in the place of n, we get 101. Determine which term of the sequence minus 1, 2, 5, 8, etc. is equal to 80. Which term? So we are going to find out the value of n. Okay, we start calculating the common difference. Common difference is 3. We have no idea whether it is arithmetic, but now we are sure that the common difference is the same number, that is 3. So we can assume, we say that it's an arithmetic sequence. Then we go and calculate, okay, write down what is given. A is minus 1, D is 3, Tn is 80, okay. And then we go to the formula sheet. For the formula, you don't need to memorize it. We write the formula first, substituting the numbers. Tn is 80, A is minus 1, D is 3. We substitute and solve for n. So we do it very carefully, don't rush. N is equal to 28. So which term? T28 is 80. X, 4x plus 5, 10x minus 5 are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Determine the value of x and hence the sequence. So this is an arithmetic sequence. Therefore, T2 minus T1 is the common difference, which gives us 4x plus 5 minus x, which is 3x plus 5. Also, T3 minus T2, that is 10x minus 5, minus of, remember to write the minus and keep it in the bracket. We simplify and we get 6x minus 10. and the common difference. It's common difference. So they are equal. 3x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 10. Solving for x carefully, x is equal to positive 5. We got first step answer. Now the sequence, we substitute x equal to 5 into the three terms. So t1 is 5, t2 is 25, okay, and t3 is 45. Okay, so we can write the sequence is 5, 25, 45, etc. An indirect question. The sixth term of an arithmetic sequence is minus 5 and the sum of the second and eighth terms is minus 2. Determine the first three terms in the sequence. Sixth term, that is t6 equal to minus 5, giving us a plus 5d equal to minus 5. Equation number 1. Learn the method. Gain second and eighth term, the sum. T2 plus T8 equal to minus 2. That is a plus d. T2 is a plus d and T8 is a plus 7d. We get, adding them, we get minus 2. Simplifying, we get 2a plus 8d equal to minus 2. Simplifying again, we write a plus 4d equal to minus 1. We divide by 2. Now equation number 1 minus equation number 2. Solving the two equations in a and b simultaneously. 1 minus 2, 5d minus 4d gives us d equal to negative 4. Okay, minus 5 minus of minus 1 gives us minus 4. So we got d. Now we go for a. We substitute d equal to minus 4 into equation number 1 and we get a equal to 15. Now the question is, determine the first three terms. So t1 is 15, t2 15 minus 4 11, t3 11 minus 4 7. Given the arithmetic sequence 3, p, 19, 27, etc. Question A. Calculate the value of p. This is an arithmetic sequence, so we know that t2 minus t1 must be equal to t3 minus t2, the common difference. So we substitute p minus 3 must be equal to 19 minus p. Okay. So 2p, solving for p, we get p equal to 11. Question B, determine the nth term of the sequence, the general term. We have the formula for arithmetic sequence from the formula sheet. We substitute the numbers. We can see that 27 minus 19 will give you the common difference. That is 8, or p is 11. 11 minus 3 is also 8. So we substitute and simplify. We get 8n minus 5. That is the nth term of this. The following represents the first three terms of an arithmetic sequence. Minus 24, p and p square. Calculate the value or values of p. So arithmetic sequence, t2 minus t1 equal to t3 minus t2. Substituting very carefully, p minus of minus 24, remember that, equal to p square minus p. Please remove the bracket, standard form, and then we factorize. We get p equal to 6 or p equal to -4. Two values are possible for p. In the arithmetic sequence A 13, B 27, etc., prove that A equal to 6 and B equal to 20. A good question. So since it is an arithmetic sequence, we can write T3 minus T2 must be equal to T4 minus T3. So we can make an equation of B. We get B minus 13 is 27 minus B. From there we solve for B. 2B equal to 40 and B is equal to 20. Now 13 minus A must be equal to 27 minus B. What is B? 20. So we simplify and solve for A. We get A is equal to 6. Okay. Look at this beautiful question. The kth term of an arithmetic sequence is m, and the mth term is equal to k, where m not equal to k. Find the common difference of the sequence. Okay, beautiful question. Kth term. Okay, how do we write? Tk is equal to m. Using the formula, we get a plus k minus 1. T equal to m. From there, we make a as the subject. We write m minus a equal to m minus of k minus 1d. Okay. Again, we have mth term equal to k. Tm equal to k. That is a plus m minus 1d equal to k. Making a as the subject again here. A equal to k minus of m minus 1d. So we have two equations for A. We can equate them now. So m minus of k minus 1d equal to k minus of m minus 1d. We again simplify. We take m and to the other side, making the right hand side is k minus m. M minus 1 from the right hand side is moving to the left side. D is a common factor now. Inside the bracket we have m minus 1 and k minus 1. Simplifying, we get m minus k times d equal to k minus m. Now d, k minus m over m minus k. But we can see that we can still simplify, making k minus m as minus of m minus k. Okay. Now m minus k in the numerator and m minus k in the denominator will be cancelled and we get minus 1. Beautiful answer. So that is the part 2. We discussed few good questions on arithmetic sequence.